$100 versus $300. Is it really worth spending that much more money? All right, gentlemen, almost lit myself on fire here. My straps on my apron almost got into my space heater in the shop, so that would have been entertaining, right? What do we have today? We have your standard tried and true professional homeowner Home Depot special, $100 for the kit. Actually, $120 now, went up a little bit, but you get your standard Dewalt 20 volt drill. You get your impact, you get 2 batteries and a charger. It's a great deal. Dewalt's good. This has been my tried and true drill here for 3 years now. Got it for Christmas a couple years ago. I love it. It's fantastic. Does some light work around the house. Guys, hanging up shelves, whatnot. I recently upgraded. I say recently. Boy, I still have the tag on it and everything here. It's like those guys who have their ball caps with the stickers still on the hat. Maybe I'm doing something new here, new trend. Keep your tags and your stickers on your power tools. But yeah, the big Milwaukee M18 hammer drill. Powerful beast, but let's put it to the test. Is it really worth? Do you really need this? Or will your Home Depot DeWalt get the job done? All right. So I guess what we're gonna do is I'm gonna find a big beefy bit and find some old wood, and we'll see which one powers to it first and choose it up. Let's get started to it. So 2 of my biggest bits here. This one has a lot of teeth on it. This will be pretty easy for both drills to chew through. These spade bits, I hate these things. They never work good. They always walk and wander or smoke, or they burn through. So this one's got a little bit of wear on it. So we're gonna give this, this would be a good test. Hey, look at my fingernails. They're not filthy. You guys always get on my case about my fingernails. So let's see what we can do. All right, gentlemen, got my DeWalt ready to go. Battery's fully charged. Got my spade bit in, 1.5 inches. It's just a standard piece of scrap 2x4. Let's get started, see what we can do. Actually, no. Before I get started, please hit that subscribe button. 99.4% of you guys watching this are not subscribed. I promise we do some fun things on here. I'm not lying. If you don't like it, then unsubscribe. But yeah, let's do it. Not pressing too hard. Making a mess in my shop. We are through. Okay, now we have our Milwaukee. Let's see what that can do. Same piece of wood, just you can see the hole from the DeWalt. So let's give it a go. As I cover up the camera, Wow. Well, that was easy. That plowed right through like butter. Let's finish it off. Almost got through, actually. My bit became loose there. All right, almost done. Yeah. Holy smokes. Well, we split the piece of wood. Well, I mean, DeWalt did fine. It did the job. The Milwaukee chewed through that thing. You saw how it split that piece of wood with no problem. The power's there, obviously. It's a Milwaukee. It was $300 for the kit. It came with this, the impact, 2 batteries and a charger versus $115 on sale at Home Depot. You get what you pay for, but for 99% of your professional homeowners, this is going to do just fine. If you're a contractor using this day in and day out, this is your bread and butter, yeah, go for it. Spend the extra money. The power's there. It's going to last longer. I mean, what else can I say? It's your Ford, it's your Lincoln. Compare the two. They're both going to get the job done. One's going to give you a little bit more beefy power. One's going to still do it for a cheaper price. So, yeah, hopefully you guys learned a little bit today. I just had fun. I won't lie. Didn't learn too much. I knew this was going to be bigger, more powerful. But, yeah, like, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you guys next time. I thought the pub, you were my shorty, I thought. I didn't hit stop. Shoot.